First, I will tell you marks. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
A very good morning to all of
Good
you.
morning, ma'am.
Yeah, now I will present my screen. I will show your
Good morning,
assessment
ma'am.
marks. Good morning. Mute yourself now, everyone. Faster.
Ma'am.
Now, Vivan Patel, mute yourself, my dear.
Yes. Can I say something about
Not
that?
now, after this. Let me present my screen and tell you the assessment marks. And please write your marks if you want to write. And you will not ask me in between that, ma'am, how much marks I got, because I will call each and every child's name. You have to be good in your listening skills. Okay. This is your screen. Is it visible to everyone?
Yeah, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Now, no talking, please. Nishika, you got these marks is out of 30. Nishika got 25. Ashvi got 23. Man Rajodia 16. Jahan Agarwal 24. Jishna Swami 25. Vihan Patel 30. Excellent Vihan. Ridan Goyal 20. Fazan Vastawala 28. Good Fazan. Devyosha 28. Good Devyosha. Khevna 26. Good. Keep it up, Khevna. Aryaman Sangai 25. Keep it up, Aryaman. Anushka 25. Keep it up. Vivan 28. Good. Ekansh very good. Ekansh also. Arna 23. Rudra Mangokia excellent 30. Khush Ahuja 29. Excellent. Laksha Thakral very good 26. Ayansh Jain 28. Good. Lamha 25. Good Lamha. Samriddhi 30, excellent. Yug Baria 30, excellent. Riddhi Goyal 24. Make Italia 22. Parinika Jain 26. Jahan Jariwala 26. Karnav 25. Mohit 25. Good children, please work for these 5-6 marks also. Dhairesh excellent 30. Vivan Balchandani 28. Gunav Gura 27. Very good Guna. You are working really hard. Rahil 24. Good. Dhruv Patel 23. Arav Patel 24. Prisha 25. Trisha Chandrana 25. Vanch Balchandani 30. Excellent. Migdar 27. Riva Kataria 28. Very good. Jan Dalal 27. Priya Excellent 30. Yash Desai 28. Very good. Kush Kapadia 28. Ayush Singhania 28. Good children. Sia Patel 15. You have to work very, very hard. Sia. Dhyan Chile 28. Meet Kevlane 20. Reddy 26. So this is done. I hope.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Anvi, tell me.
Ma'am, my name is not
Maybe
there.
you have not given Anvi. You told me no that before 2-3 days you told me you will not be available on the assessment day.
Ma'am, but I have done in my traveling car.
No, but you have not submitted. Do one thing, link is there in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you try to attempt it, attempt it.
Ma'am,
Only
Okay,
for
ma'am.
only 2 days, today, one day, I am giving you attempt it.
Okay, ma'am.
Those
ma'am,
who have not submitted, yes.
ma'am, can you tell my mistakes so I can improve on them and next time bring 30 out of 30?
I think most of the children have done the that adding the time, because I have specially given the time video that how to add and subtract the time. Many of the students have done wrong there, and that question to calculate the profit or loss. This question I will show you the screen. See, check your those who are marked red. These answers are wrong. Many of you don't know how many days are in the fortnight. 14 days are in the fortnight. You have some have written 4, some have written 7, some have written 1. So answer is 14 days in the fortnight. And multiplication also many of you have done wrong. And this question, the Repeated multiplication is a repeated addition.
I mean,
Multiplication is a repeated addition. That word also many of you don't know, and many of you have done wrong in this this one, the plus add and subtract the time. This one which I am showing here, this one many of you have done wrong. And multiplication, yes Ayush.
ma'am, can you send this to in the
No,
classroom? So
no,
Take them-
no, I will not send. This is the assessment. Actually, you children are not being only judged on the basis of this assessment. You are being judged on your overall performance in the class. How you send your work, how you do the assessments, how you do. So this is not only the criteria of giving the marks. We are giving you the grades. This year, not the only marks. We are not depending only the marks, how much you are getting. You are completely, we are observing you completely, how you are appear in the class, how you work, how much you give the answers, how you are attentive. So everything, all your criterias are to be judged. You are going to be judged on all the criterias as you have judged the base previous time, right? Okay, now let's begin our today's class. That is, as we know that we have already done, we have already done with the comparing and ordering of the fractions when the denominator is same. Now we will learn addition and subtraction of fractions when the denominator is same, because only the same denominator is in our syllabus. Different denominators you will learn in the grade 5. Am I clear now? So now first I will show you how to add and subtract. Then you will give me some examples and make, and then we will do some exercises, questions in the notebook. Make that you are not in a playground. Come closer to your device and be attentive.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी राहिल बोलिए. Tell me.
today's city.
No Rahil, you don't check your classrooms. Every updates are there. All updates are there in the classroom. You come prepare with the updates. Okay. So now I'll start my class. I'll show you one video first on the addition and subtraction.
Look, we are at Pizza House. Irish, Pearl and Ronald are ordering pizzas and garlic breads. Let's learn about adding and subtracting fractions with them. Look at them eating. Irish ate 3/6 of the pizza. Pearl ate 1/6 of the pizza. How much pizza did the two of them eat in all? Here, we have to add both the fractions 3/6 and 1/6 to get the answer. Since they are like fractions, we have to add just the numerators 3 and 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 4 upon 6. Thus, Irish and Pearl ate 4/6 pizza in all.
And the boy
It's garlic bread time now. Irish ate 2/7 of the garlic bread. Ronald ate 4/7 of the garlic bread. How much garlic bread did they eat in all? Add 2 upon 7 and 4 upon 7 to get the answer. Adding the numerators directly, we get 2 plus 4 upon 7, which is equal to 6 upon 7. Thus, Irish and Ronald ate 6/7 garlic bread in all. Look, now Pearl and Ronald are having pizza. Ronald had 5/11 of the pizza. Pearl ate 4/11 of it. How much pizza is left with Ronald? Here, we have to subtract the fractions 5 upon 11 and 4
1
upon
upon
11 to get the answer. As these are like fractions, we subtract only the numerators. Therefore, 5 upon 11 minus 4 upon 11 is equal to 5 minus 4 upon 11, which is equal to 1 upon 11. Thus, Ronald is left with 1/11th of the pizza. Look here. Irish has 6/8 of the garlic bread. Pearl ate 3/8 of it. How much garlic bread is left with Irish? We subtract the fractions 6 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 to get the answer. They being like fractions, we directly subtract the numerators. So, 6 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 8. Thus, Irish has 3/8 garlic bread left with him. Wow! Wasn't it fun learning at the pizza house?
I have a doubt. Can I ask? Ma'am, your mic is off.
Yes, there. Tell me.
Ma'am, the addition and subtraction is always with like fraction, not unlike fraction. No.
It will be with the unlike fractions also, and it will be with the mixed fraction also. That you will learn in your higher grades, grade 5.
Okay. Ma'am, I have done mixed
Okay.
fraction also and unlike fraction also
Yes.
of addition.
See, if you
And
get the mixed fraction, yeah, good. If you have done good. So
It's easy.
these topics, yeah, you will learn in the grade 5. So first in your grade 4 is with the only with the like fractions, right? So now make that. Can you frame one addition sum of like fractions and tell us?
Ma'am, can we write in separate?
Children, if you those who know the answer, they want to frame the story problems with the addition and subtraction, please write in the chat box. I will read it out, or any one child can read it out for their friends also. Yes, make that.
Ma'am, you said I have to.
Make the Mohit sit properly. Sit properly, Mohit.
Ma'am, the chat is not available at this time.
Yeah, wait. I will on it. Yes, it is on now. You please write the answers in the chat, questions also in the chat box and answers also. Please make the story sums. I will read it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I will give you 5 minutes time, and after that we'll do the exercise based on the same. Please write it fast. Twisha, you are there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Twisha, you were having any query, please ask.
I was having a query and that homework.
Homework, what query?
I have two devices. In one device, it is saying that I have not submitted only, and in another device, it's saying that you have already responded.
That is your connectivity problem, maybe, because you have to log in with your TVIS ID only. Please mute your mics. Twisha, mute your mic, then only you will able to listen me. Yeah, so you will only log in with the TVIS ID, then only it will accept your form. If you are logged in with the another Gmail ID, it will not accept.
When you showed us that who have submitted that homework,
I have already shown. Wait a minute, I will show.
and that my name was not there.
So maybe you have not submitted then. You, Khush, Guna, Varyan, Rudra, Anushka, Vivan, Arna, Migdat, Lakshya, Lamha, Vivan, Ashvi, Yash, Samriddhi. Your name is not there. Prisha, she has submitted just now. And before she was facing the difficulty. Okay. Children, have you written the questions in the chat box? Yeah. Prisha, I will read.
I'm writing.
Menu
Ma'am,
is
I'm
Menu
not
is a
able.
girl.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, there. Yeah.
Actually, I'm not able to write in chat box. I've written whole of word problem. Can I read it?
Yeah, please wait a minute. Let me read Prisha's, then you read for yourself. Meenu is a girl who lived with her brother Chinu and with her parents. So today it was a birthday, and her parents bought a cake for her. So divided into four parts. So what is the part everyone has got? Yes, can you tell us the answer, Prisha? How much part everyone will get? Yeah, this is the part everyone will get. If you want to add the Meenus and Chinus uh, part of the cake. So how much will be the total? Two upon four. Very good. And what else we can say? Two upon four is also the. Yes. Wait a minute. 2/4 is also known as what? How much part total? See, first complete whole cake was there, and then they divided into four equal parts. 1/4, 1/4 each got. Yes, very good. Make that half of the cake we can say. 2/4 is also known as 1/2, and 1/2 means half.
Ma'am, it can be 2 quarters
2/4, yes.
because it's 4.
2/4. Okay. Now next, Dharya, can you please tell us? Dhamma, wait,
There
I will.
were two people in the cafeteria.
Who
They
went?
ordered two. There were two people in the cafeteria.
Mm-hmm.
They ordered two pizza of 6 pieces.
Mm-hmm.
So then the first man ate 3 pieces and the another man ate 5. What is the total?
Mm-hmm.
So 3 3/6 and 5/6 we add, so we get 8/6 and it's
It will be, yeah, improper fraction.
Ma'am, in what
Very
the
good.
page number is? Ma'am, in which page number of the because of the network issue I left?
It is not in any of the page number. The topic we are doing extra topics.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Arav, can you read your question which you have written here? Arav Patel.
Ma'am, Arav has copied me.
Okay. Vulama, can you read your question?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Yeah. Aisha had one orange, which contained 12 pieces, and her friend Anna ate the orange.
Mm-hmm.
Aisha ate 3/12.
You have written 3/. Okay.
I mistakenly.
Yeah, 3/12.
Orange. Aisha ate 3/12 and Anna ate 4/12.
Mm.
So the total fraction they both got is 7/12.
And how much is left?
Yeah, the left is 5/12.
Good. Next, Rudra, can you please explain us what you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I had also read.
Chocolate
Okay.
of 6 pieces. My friend took 3 and my another friend took 2. So how many is left with me? So 3/6 minus 2/6 is equal to 3 minus 2
Just a minute.
upon
Wait. Let me read. Let me read it properly. You were having three chocolate, 6 pieces. My friend took 3, and my another friend took 2. So it will be 3/6 and 2/6, right? So
Yes.
the answer will be 5/6. How much will be left with you?
Yes, so it will be left 1/6.
Very good. So you have to give the answer. They are asking only total, or they are asking left, or what they are
No, ma'am.
asking in the question.
I have
Yes.
written so how many how many is left with me?
Yeah.
Ma'am, we too had wrote in the chat
Yes,
box.
Samriddhi, can you please read?
Send a question in the chat box.
Yeah, I will give you a chance. Yes, please.
My brother bought 18 cookies and I ate 9 upon 18 and my mother ate 9 upon 18. So we will plus 9 upon 18 and 9 upon 18. So answer will be 18 upon 18.
And 18 upon 18 will be known as what?
Uh, un, un,
One whole. Complete cookies you have completed. No, 18 upon 18 is the whole. Yes. Yeah. Next child is Anushka. Anushka.
Ma'am, from some network issues left the class, so I
Wait, Anushka. Someone else is also speaking.
Ma'am,
I have one
Ma'am.
pizza,
What is the
pieces of garlic bread. Guna,
ma'am,
Ma'am, please give chance to Gunav to speak.
ma'am, Renu ma'am.
Wait a minute, Vihan. I'm talking to Gunav, mother. Please give chance to Gunav to speak. You don't force him. He will speak. And please switch on your camera, Gunav. Switch on your camera, Gunav. Yes, Vihan, tell me.
Ma'am, what we have done now, few minutes I have left for some internet.
We are doing the word problems. They are saying me the way we are discussing, no? The way we are discussing the topic, we are discussing about the addition and subtraction of fractions. So they are writing their own word problems in the chat box and discussing. Now,
Ma'am, I have also written.
yeah. Now, meantime, you write in the chat box. I will again come back and read the chat box. And now I will send you one worksheet link in the chat box. Right? I will send one classwork worksheet. This is the classwork worksheet. Vivan, please listen. Mute your mic. I will send now one worksheet, which is the classwork worksheet, and based on today's topic, addition and subtraction. I will send that link in your chat box. You go to the link and open the worksheet. Please change the date in the worksheet, right? And change the worksheet number. It is 4, I think, worksheet number, and that worksheet, it is written worksheet 2. So change the worksheet number and change the date and start doing in your notebooks. I will send the link and start doing.
Ma'am, I have also written one word problem.
I will come back on the word problems. Let me share the work first. I will post this link in the chat box. My link is there in the chat box. Open it and tell me whether it is visible or not. I will post this link in the classroom also. If in case you log out from the meeting, you go from the chat classroom and enter in this link.
Ma'am, what we have to do now?
This is the worksheet of addition and subtraction which you have to do in your notebooks.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you entered everyone in the worksheet?
And we have to do now.
Yes.
Ma'am,
This is the classwork.
ma'am,
Jan Dalal, I will come back to you.
ma'am, I am telling that, ma'am, can I? Ma'am, please send the. Can I?
Manrajodia link is in the classroom also. Yes, Jan Dalal.
Ma'am, please send the link again. Can I print it?
No. You can print it right now.
Yes.
This is the classwork you note down.
Okay.
Open the worksheet on your screen and do it in the notebook.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
you will send the folder. You will send the folder to send it. In
Yes,
classroom.
you have to send me in the classroom also. Attach your work there after completing.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Swati ma'am.
Renu ma'am, still we can see that periwinkle presentation on the screen.
Yeah. This is my present.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me, Rudra.
can I take out a printout of it and then write in answer?
See, if it is easy for you, you can take out the printout. Otherwise, you note down in the notebook and complete it.
Ma'am, if printout is possible.
Then you take out the printout and do in the
Ma'am.
printed worksheet and paste it.
Ma'am, I clicked a photo of this and I written in notebook.
Ma'am, I could write a little bit only.
Ma'am,
I'm not asking each and every child, okay, Lamha, how much you can write, you write it. Please do this in your notebooks. If you able to take the printout, if you able to take out the printout easily, you take out the printout and do in the worksheet and paste your worksheet in the notebook. This is your today's classwork. Please note that somewhere answer is also missing. Then you have to write the answer. If somewhere one numerator is missing, you have to find out the numerator. Please see the worksheet carefully. And after 5 minutes, we will discuss the answers also. Because this worksheet is not more than 5 or 10 minutes. Meantime, those who have written the answer questions in the chat box, I will tell them to explain us. Karnav, please explain. Karnav,
yes, ma'am.
please explain the question which you have written. Vivan is a boy, like this you have written or something. Vivan is a
No, ma'am, I
boy.
have it.
That is
I have written it.
Karnav's name there. Vivan is a boy who lived with his brother Dhyan. We went to a pizza shop. We ordered 2 cheese pizza. I ate 7 upon 12 and Dhyan ate 10 upon 12. How much I left?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
It's okay. Karnav, I
he
think you
copied
have.
me. Karna
Okay,
copied
okay.
me.
Okay, Vivan. Then you tell me
ma'am,
the
in
answer.
two, ma'am, I write in the chat box.
Okay. Vivan, you explain us.
Yes, ma'am.
Please explain your question. By the time other children, please click on the link and do your work.
Yes, ma'am. Vivan is a boy and Dhyan.
Ma'am, I sent the answer.
I will check it, Karnav. You do your work. Vivan,
Ma'am, we went to a pizza shop.
Vivan, you first sit at one place.
Link again because in classroom it is not coming for me. Now,
Man, I have pasted now and I hope you will able to enter in this link now. You please scroll your chat box. You will able to see the link. Addition and subtraction worksheet is there. Everyone can see the worksheet. Please show me thumbs up.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I had removed the printout. It's okay, no?
Yes, yes. You complete in this and paste it in your notebook.
Yeah, ma'am.
Change the date and change the worksheet number. Write worksheet number 4 and change the date. Write today's date. And do it fast. I will discuss the answers also.
Ma'am, what is today?
Which child is asking what is today's date? Vedi,
Ma'am,
Vedi,
it is 20.
Vedi, you come prepare, my dear, in the class. Come prepare. You should know at least which date is today.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is 20.
It is 20 October, 10th month.
Okay, ma'am.
Without completing, no one will leave the class. I can see 2-3 children already left the class. Please, next day I will catch you.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am,
Yes, Vansh Valchandani, tell
Ma'am.
me. Yes, Yash Desai.
ma'am, yeah. Ma'am, the link is not opening only.
See, wait a minute. Yes, what happened?
Ma'am, the link is not opening.
Yes, in your Gmail account, maybe different accounts have been opened. So that's why you will not able to enter in.
Ma'am, I don't want to do in Google. Ma'am, I'm doing in worksheet C. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Do it fast and paste it in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Mama. Ma'am, I can. ग्लू भी ले आना साथ में.
Vedi, what happened?
Nothing. Ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done that you have stagnant done. I have done it. Now I can tell my dad. Ma'am, can I say it? Ma'am.
Vansh Balchandani, your voice is echoing. You please switch on your camera. Then only I will able to listen.
Ma'am.
Laksh, please mute yourself. Laksh, wait a minute. Yes, Vansh. If
Ma'am,
children, please.
I have done the exercise you have sent.
Yes.
I can tell my what problem you have sent me to do.
Yeah, please tell, explain us.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Rudra, wait a minute. What happened, Rudra?
Ma'am, question number 1 and question number 5 is the same.
Question number 1 and question number 5. Let me check. Yes, let me check.
Yes, ma'am, it's same.
Question. Wait a minute.
Question
No.
number 5.
1 and question number 5. Okay, no problem. Do it twice. No problem.
Ma'am, now I can tell.
Yeah, tell me.
If I have a pizza of 8 pieces, I ate 4 upon 8 and Daria ate 3 upon it. So how many pieces of pizza is left with one? Answer will be 1 upon 8.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have sent the link of my work in the classroom. Can I say my word problem?
Yeah, Anushka, please explain us. Before talking, everyone has to switch on their cameras, please. Anushka, I will not able to listen you once you will not open your camera. Yes. Tell me.
My mother baked 10 cupcakes for my sister and me. She gave me 5 upon 10 piece of cupcake and she gave 3 upon 10 piece of cupcake to my sister. So what is the cake left with my mother?
Tell me. You give me the answer. Anushka, give me the answer also.
1 minute, ma'am.
Children, I will post this. Just a minute. Yeah, Anushka, tell.
10 upon 2 upon 10 piece of cupcake is left with my mother.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell my word problem?
Now first listen to me. I will first send this link to the assignment so that if you have completed your work. Who is this? Vedi? Stop now. Children, I will post this link in the assignments. Attach your work there.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is your classwork today. I will send one Google form also based on the same topic. That will be your homework.
Ma'am, before 6.
Yeah,
PM we
before
have to
6.
submit it.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And in Google form, you write the divide sign as a slash sign the way you have done yesterday.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's time is up. Can we leave the class?
No.
Ma'am. I'm done.
Yeah, good.
Ma'am, may I go to
Yeah,
washroom?
please.
Ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me, Gunav.
Ma'am, done, and where to send this? I cannot see.
I have posted in the assignments. You go to assignment, worksheet is posted. You please attach your work there. Yes, Gunav, tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Others, please mute your mics. Let me listen, Gunav.
Answers in my notebook.
Ma'am, I write only answer in notebook. Ma'am, did you
No.
got mine? Please
You
check.
have to. Samriddhi, I will check it later. Gunav, you have to write the full, all the fractions.
Ma'am, we write only next month.
I will send you in evening. I will send you.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am.
Send you with
Ma'am, done. Ma'am.
Send me Gunav. Send me an assignment. I have already posted.
Ma'am, I'm just sent you.
Ma'am, I can leave now.
Yes, yes. Those who have done, they can leave. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.